How to use Boxed membership for free shipping. At Box, you can access the free shipping without an annual membership fee. Unlike many wholesale club, Box offer the benefit of bulk shopping while keeping free delivery accessible through a simple order minimum. So what you have to do is you just want to make sure to meet the minimum order threshold. You have to ensure the cart total is about $49. Order below this amount generally do not qualify for free shipping, and free shipping and delivery are available for orders over the thresholds with a contingent within the US as well. And for the same day delivery on groceries, including fresh and dozen item, using Box Express, there are no membership fees or hidden charges for the service, though it only available in select area as well. And you could also avoid excluded address. Standard shipping is not available for PO Box, APO, FPO, and DPO address as well. And you could also check for promotions and all that. And this way, you're supposed to get or use a Box membership for free shipping. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.